Hi, my name is Nate McCullough on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to remove your tire and placing of a jack stand. This is my preferred tool for spinning off lug nuts once they've been broken loose. Just insert it on the lug nut. I like to use a 4-way because it'll do some of the work for you. You can see, just with a little push, it'll continue around for you. Once you get the lug nuts off, you're going to want to find a particular spot to put them all in. That'll help you avoid losing any of them. They're about $3 a piece. Okay, we got our lug nuts off. What I'm going to do with these is put them right in my coat pocket. That way I know where they're all at for later use. Some tires will be seized to the wheel hub and may require you to give them a stout kick or pop them with your hand. Most of the time they'll pop off just like so. Slide the wheel off the studs and roll it out of your way. You want to set this one down right over there. Once you have the wheel out of the way, it's time to place your jack stand. They make jack stands in various weights. This happens to be a 1-ton jack stand, which is more than enough for our application here. If you're working on a heavy truck or a much larger car, you're going to want to move into a larger area of jack stands. How they work, they have a lever here which releases it. It's pretty much just a tooth, just like so. That's your safety catch. We're going to slide our jack stand underneath to the vehicle's pinch weld, elevate it until it just about makes contact, and release our jack. This is for safety purposes. It doesn't have any wheels on it and won't move on you if you happen to jostle the vehicle, whereas the jack would move. There you go. That's the proper way to remove your wheel and place your jack stand.